For creating this nail art, I am using some different shades of nail polishes. Firstly, I am applying a coat of yellow nail polish. You can use white color instead of yellow nail polish. Allow it to fully dry. Next, I am using 4 different shades of nail polishes and applying that to the 4 corners of my nails. I overlap them and it does not have to be perfect, just play with the colors. I will be repeating the same process on all my other nails. Here I am taking black nail polish and removing excess polish from the brush. Then I will lightly drag the brush over the nail with small strokes. Lastly, I am using clear coat to complete my nail art. I hope you like this simple nail art. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Forever Beautiful.